Alright, so you just got a Steam Deck and you're probably wondering, what's the first thing I should do? Let's go through it step by step. First, power it on and connect it to Wi-Fi. That way it can pull up the latest updates right away. Steam Deck usually has a big update waiting out of the box, so get that done first. Next, log into your Steam account. That'll sync your library automatically, so any games you already own will show up here. After that, I recommend checking the storage. If you got a smaller model, you'll definitely want to set up a micro SD card for extra space. Just pop it open, format it through the settings, and you're good to go. Then take a look at the settings under performance. You can tweak things like frame rate limits and battery settings depending on whether you want more power or longer playtime. And finally, don't forget, this thing can run desktop mode. So if you want to install apps like emulators, Discord, or even Chrome, switch to desktop and it basically works like a mini PC. That's it. Connect, update, sign in, set up storage, tweak your settings, and you're ready to start gaming. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.